Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. It's a rainy morning. Good thing I cut the lawn yesterday. Nice and cool and rainy, as you can tell. Did get the lawn a nice cut yesterday, so I get a nice water now. But yeah, them all as I say, never put off what you can do today for tomorrow. Cause see, but you want to take a picture of the trailers inside out yesterday. It was nice and sunny and warm, and I didn't. And now it's raining today when I say I want to do it. But it's all good when you get it done tomorrow. When you take some more pictures, I'm posting it for sale, guys. So anybody here in the Atlanta area might be interested in a food trailer. There it is right there. I'll take some more pictures and post them up online and see if I could get it for sale. It's not fully built, completely built. It's got the doors, like the generator doors, the awning on it. It has the service window installed already. You know, electrical is done in it. Most of the plumbing, some of the plumbing. The hood is not on top of it, so that's why you don't see the fan on top of it. It's just a matter of placement. We didn't put it in there because we don't know the configuration of the equipment and all of that, so we didn't put that up. But that is inside of it. The fan that goes on top is inside, and the hood system is inside of it. It's got 3-tier sinks, hand wash sinks in there and everything. It's not FRP'd out. We haven't put the siding in there yet, so it's still plywood in there, so it's not finished up, and the floors are not finished up yet. It's not finished, so yeah, man. So that are the food trailer we're gonna have for sale. Today now, like it's raining, I wanted to go get some prices down by the restaurant store, so I'm gonna probably just head over there and get some prices on that, and swing down to the farm market, stuff like that. But yeah, it's a rainy, cool day here, morning. So good morning, and stay tuned. Once me hit the road, we'll do some more filming there. Yesterday was a slow day, and yeah, the guys, as far as the peppers project, they started the peppers project in the video yesterday, or in this video you probably see me showing where they started digging. So they broke ground on the grease trap on the outside. We got approved for that, so we started digging on the outside for that. So hopefully in a week or two they'll be able to put it in and finish it up. So stay tuned for that. Once I get in there and start doing more work in there, I'm gonna start doing more lives or more videos. I've been posting every day like I used to. It's just because I'm just here doing paperwork and background stuff. So that's kind of boring, filming me doing paperwork. So yeah, stay tuned on this one. I'm gonna head out, even though it's raining. I'm gonna head on the road and see if I could get some prices on some ingredients I've been looking at. So go on, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're there at Restaurant Depot. Pretty much I come check out a list of some things I want to get pricing on pertaining to the peppers project. May I try to do a food breakdown cost, in order to just get a general idea what the nowadays food cost is. What I try to do is get a food cost per item, per meal. That way you can know how much you will sell your meal for, and also what where it will cost you. So I don't know if restaurant owners out there do cost per meal or do a breakdown of them ingredients and what actually costs for do them meals, but I do, So Restaurant Depot, most of the stuff maybe going to come from here. Maybe not. May I try to get the stuff from more like distributors, like the meats and stuff from the distributors. So may I look into those distributors as well. This place I think is kind of expensive compared to the distributors. The only thing, you know, when you buy the meats from the distributors or here, you have to get them prepped. If you buy them from local processors and stuff, they'll prep the meat for you. You know, whichever way you want it. So if you want like Boston butt pork, they'll cut it in the, you know, weight that you want it. Like the leg quarters, they'll trim the fat from it and stuff like that. So when you buy from these places, you just buy the case, so you would have to process it and clean it up and wash the meat, stuff like that. May I try to find a processor that will do that for you, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't say it's 6 and 1/2 dozen of other. This way you get it maybe for less, but you pay more, because then you have to pay somebody to prep that meat, clean that meat, season that meat, you know what I'm saying? With the processors, they'll clean the meat for you and then you could season it after. Some places they will season it for you too as well. Just provide the seasoning. So, you know, all the other stuff like the boxes and, you know, just smaller items we might take from this place right here. It just depends on pricing. This place is, you know, convenient because it's up the street. It's not too far from us. It's probably like 15 minutes away from the restaurant. So most things that, you know, you might run out of or, you know, need on a daily, you could just come here. Other than that, you'd have to order it, you know, and wait for the processors to get it ready, order it ahead of time. Let's say you run out of a case of leg quarters or pork, you could just come here and get it, and then you do the processing on that. So that's the thing with here. But other than that, the prices, you know, are a little bit up there, I would think, compared to if you buy it from the distributor. Anyhow, we're there. I'm gonna head back over to the farm market. I'll grab some stuff for my personal use and get some fish and some food and stuff for me to cook. So I'm gonna head over there real quick and then check back in with you guys. Give me a few. When we get over there, I'm gonna do some filming. If it's not too crowded. I was in here a while, maybe about an hour or so, but it was kind of crowded in there, so I never get to, you know, I can't be holding this and holding my phone to do the calculation plus the camera. It was kind of hard, so I never really do any filming inside. You know what a grocery store look like. That's what it looks like. Everything is just in bulk. Anyhow, I'm gonna hit the road, so stay tuned. We check back in when I get to the farm market. Alright guys, so we're at Namdamun, the farm market, local farm market here in the Atlanta area. We got a bunch of stuff, you know, like green bananas, plantain, you know, some food like ground food like potato and yuca, stuff like that, stuff that I eat, you know. Got some, yeah, just grown food, some crackers, Jamaican crackers, some saltfish. I have some ackee over there. We can make some ackee and saltfish. Green banana, yeah. We get some leg quarters. We can go test some test cooking. But yeah, stay tuned. I head back over the house now. I get something to eat. I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna head over there now. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back at it. We're on the road. So now I'm heading over to the city of Suwanee. Last week we had turned in everything that we needed to turn in. As I said, guys, we already got approved with all our permits and everything, but there's just one sheet that needs to be approved. It's already approved. It's just that we got to turn it into Suwanee. So that's what I'm doing over there now, just to give them, well, we already submitted it, so I'm just double checking with them just to make sure they have it, they received it. On our end, the contractor had some issues there with the uploading of it and some stuff. We just had to check over there to make sure them get everything and everything is in the system. So yeah, they're over there working on the grease trap. They started digging the holes. and everything already outside for the grease trap. So I'm gonna swing by here now. I'm close by there, so I'm gonna swing over there real quick and see if they made any. I doubt it. The rain was falling all day yesterday, so I don't think they did any work yesterday or Saturday. So I'm gonna swing over there and see if they did anything over there, and then I'll go by the city. So that's where I'm heading now, guys. Just stay tuned. I head over to the city, see what's going on, get some information. Once if they have everything and everything is the way it's supposed to be paperwork wise, then we should be good. So, and then as I said, the work is going on, so I'm gonna check on the work as well. So stay tuned, guys. We'll go head over there shortly. See, they're working on that exit I was talking about, guys. So see, the exit is over there. It will be done shortly, I'm guessing. See, they got that exit right there. And then I'm going to show you how close it is. So that's the exit right there. And then the Peppers project is right down here. So as you can tell, they're doing a lot of building on this road as well. See, they're doing new construction right here. It looks like apartment buildings they're putting up over here. Everything make out of board, guys. In a foreigner, everything make out of board. They just built that building over there. That's just completed. They're still finishing up the driveway. Senior living over there. They got a high school right here. Not high school, elementary school. They have warehouses back here, right across the street, and then right around this corner right here, that's the gas station right here. Right there. There's a sign right there, and then this gas station is around this corner. So we're right on this intersection right here. So the exit is behind us. I would say, you know, a minute. This road right here, this main road we're on, it didn't have any, there was no exit to come on this road. However, this road is a major road, so they had to exit up on the other road, on the other intersection. So you see gas station right there. They dig a couple more stuff. Yeah. Then we heading over to the city. So as I said, this road didn't have an exit, and it is a main road. So this main road right here takes you between two cities. So a lot of people drive on it. As you can tell, look, there's traffic in front of me, traffic behind me. But in order to get on this road right here, you had to see, there's a lot of houses over there too as well. So there's a whole community back here we could service in terms of residential and commercial. You know, see, you got a whole community back there we could service as far as food. Yeah. So in order to get on this road right here, you had to go one exit up and then get off, and then you have to come over on this road. You know what I'm saying? So now it's getting its own exit, guys. So with it having its own exit, everybody could just get off on this road and go to the next city. You know what I'm saying? So as I said, this road, that gas station is going to be a super busy gas station once you know, here's a lot more houses over here as well. See, so all this right here is within 5 minutes, right? Less than 5 minutes. So 5 minutes going any direction, all four direction going 5 minutes. We have a lot of customers to service. It's like thousands, maybe 100,000 people within 5 minutes, going all four ways, you know. So this location is a real good location in terms of density, like population density. Yeah. And then as I say, on the road that we're on, it's a lot of corporate and warehouses and manufacturing going on that road. But the two parallel roads, you have residential. So look, we have residential on this street right here. Yeah. So yeah, so we in the city of Swan, you know. I'm almost there. Going to the city hall, pretty much. City hall, and then see you have more residents right here. You know, all this is within 5 minutes. So at night time we could, you know, do a lot of Uber Eats when it comes to residents, and then during 9 to 5 on Monday to Friday it's corporate. You know, so we're catering to mostly corporate daytime, and then residents at night, because you know the residents are at work. So you know, after work, when they get home, then you could target those people. So that's why we don't want to close at 9. We want to close at a later hour, you know, 11, 12, 2:30 is the time. This is City of Suwannee town center. So you know, so you got a couple restaurants down here. There's a city hall building right there. So I'm going over to the city hall. I'm going inside that building right there. So we could that's the city hall building right there. So inside there they got all the where you get your building permits and pay your fees, and all that is in that building. So yeah guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna go inside and check out what's going on, and then get back with you guys. So give me a few. Let me get parked. Alright guys, so come at the city hall, but guess what? City hall closed. Today is a holiday guys. I don't know what holiday is today, but government offices are closed today. I will look it up and see which holiday today. I don't know how them people have holidays, so every Monday is a holiday. So I guess nowhere is open, like banks and them place there. Nowhere not open. So I will delay that till tomorrow. There's nothing I can do. Tomorrow I come by and see what's up with that. So I'm gonna just go over the gas station real quick, stop over there and see how they're doing, if any progress going on with that. As I say, it was raining yesterday and the day before, so you know they're working outside digging, so I don't think they did anything much as far as the digging. Oh well, I'll go over there and see what's going on. So just go and stay tuned. We're close by. Well, as I said, we're less than 5 minutes. So just go and stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're at the Circle K over there. I don't know if you could see it good, clear. But we're at the light. See, as you can tell, it's a real busy intersection. Take a look at that. This is just in the middle of the day, 12 o'clock. In the middle of the day, we got traffic here, traffic behind us. You know, traffic, you know, from all four corners, and the exit is not even open yet. That's the thing. Exit is still not open yet. So this is what it looks like, guys. See, it's just a busy intersection. Pepper's project is right in that gas station. So just a little sneak peek of what's going on. Got a tractor trailer here going around. we turn in right here. Gas station is getting busier and busier every day. Yeah. Alright guys, so they still didn't get any more digging going on. It's pretty much the same as I saw it the other day. It was, as I said, it was raining real bad for 2 days, so they wouldn't be able to get anything done. But I'm gonna head over to the house. I have some more paperwork to get done, so I'm gonna, oh no, I gotta go to the salon. So let's go to the salon real quick. I have stuff to do at the salon pretty much. I didn't go there for morning, so I'm gonna head over there and clean up real quick. So let's go over to the salon and get that situated. And I know I haven't been posting every day as I should, guys. The other day I posted like 3 days in one video, and it's just because of these things. I'm running around doing city work and paperwork and county work and stuff like that. So, you know, yeah, I'm just running around doing a bunch of city stuff, like back and forth with the county and stuff. Hold on guys, let me put my seatbelt on. Oh, you know what, I have to go put the send in the gas, the request, the person who's doing the gas. I gotta do he requested information, so I gotta fill the sheet out, return that to him. So I'm gonna do that as well when I get home. But yeah, pretty much we're on the road. Next stop, salon, and you know, you'll see more videos in the coming days or weeks. Once I get started on the inside, I'm gonna start doing some work on the inside of this building. So we just haven't gotten to that point yet. So once they put everything back, cement the floors, then we're gonna go in and start doing walls and, you know what I'm saying, tiles and stuff like that. So just stay tuned. We're gonna get that going as quick as possible in the coming weeks. Maybe as soon as next week, we could start doing walls or covering floors and stuff like that. So yeah, give us a few couple days, and I'll start posting some more. You'll see more of what's going on. Right now it's just, you know, there's a halt on the project for a few days. Inside we're waiting on inspection for them to cover the ground, so that might be a few days, because the county, whenever we apply for these inspections, they take forever to respond with a date. It's just crazy. We've been waiting 2 weeks just for them to come out and take a look at the outside so they could start digging. So finally they came last Friday and the guys started immediately. So it's not us that's holding up this whole thing. It's the counties and the, you know, and the city. You know, they're the ones who holds up the projects. So anyhow, let me head over to the salon real quick and then we check back in. Alright, so we're here at the salon. We're already clean. It wasn't even dirty. It didn't even need cleaning, to be honest. It's, you know, everything was clean. I cleaned it Saturday, and people work here, but sometimes it's cleaner than some days it's clean, some days it just depends on how many people come through, you know. And sometimes they come through and it's not even messy. Everybody just come through and it's still clean, you know what I'm saying? There's no hair, there's no nothing. And then you have another time it's just messy. So just depends. Anyhow, I'm gonna go head over to the house. I have some paperwork to go do. As I said, I have to turn in the the gas company requested some information, so I'm gonna turn that in real quick. I have a bunch of other stuff to do on my list here. Yesterday I went to the restaurant depot, got a lot of pricing and stuff to break down some prices and get a cost per food, a food cost per plate, and what it would cost us from, you know, scratch, from beginning to finished product. How much does it cost, including the labor, you know what I'm saying? I break it down as best as possible to see how much that plate cost. So looks like a lot of crap, but what I did, I got up-to-date pricing on all the ingredients, every single ingredients we're going to use in that store. I got the pricing on it, so now I could use this information and put it in a spreadsheet and break everything down to what it cost us for each item on the menu, for each plate on the menu, right? So I'm going to do that sometime today. On the other list, I have a couple of things, you know, like I wanted to take pictures of a trailer, so I'm going to take pictures of a trailer today. It's kind of, sun is kind of coming out, so I'm going to try to get some pictures of that. I still not change the oil in for the other car. I haven't changed that. I need to change the coolant in this one. I already did the food costs. I got a generator on one of those food trailers, one of them not starting, so I'm gonna try and get it started. It needs a battery and some fuel, so I'm gonna put some in there. I'm gonna get a battery for the bike. I already bought some leg quarters, season them. That's just testing, so I'm gonna season those up and get those going. And then I have some food. I'm gonna buy like green banana, stuff like that. I'm gonna boil them. So with my food, guys, whenever I buy those ground provisions, those ground food like yam, bananas and stuff like that, I would boil all of it and then, you know, put them in the freezer or the refrigerator, and then throughout the week I could just warm it up and eat it with whatever I choose to eat it with. So I bought some stuff yesterday. If you watched the video yesterday, or maybe in this video, you'll see me at the farm market. I'm gonna cook up all those foods. So I have a bunch of stuff I could do today to, you know, finish out today. Most of it I'll be doing off camera, but stay tuned, watch what I go on. I'll get to it. Oh, today them say it's Veterans Day, so that's why the city hall was closed. It's actually Veterans Day, if I didn't mention that before. Yeah, Veterans Day. So most cities and banks may be closed. Yeah, anybody that recognize Veterans Day will be closed. Anyhow, stay tuned. May I head over to the house? Stay tuned and watch what I go on. This is a sweet potato. This is a cocoa in Jamaica. They have a different name for it here, but cocoa we call it. And then we're gonna do some green banana. Pretty much we put some salt and garlic in the pot. I like garlic, guys, so put some salt and garlic. I also have green plantain, but this may fry. I'm gonna really boil this. And then ready to buy some potato, Irish potato we call it in Jamaica. But I'm not gonna boil those. Normally I bake those. So today we just boil these, the bag of them, the banana them, and get them cooked and when I'm ready now, I can just do a piece of fish with some banana. This will always cook and ready and then in the fridge already prepped. So quick and fast and simple. Boil them, freeze them. And normally I don't really freeze them, I just put them in the fridge because I eat them throughout the week, you know, different piece every day for lunch or dinner. So stay tuned, may I get these cut up and put them in a pot. Pot of bubble almost.